deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure.
Now let us see what are the objections. Some Wahhabis say, oh, this Najd is Iraq. My dear brothers and sisters, 5 evidence inshallah which says, and you all can cross check, you all are more intelligent, whether this is right or not. The first evidence is all of you can Google Najd, N-A-J-D. That is the most easiest way, and you will see it is the central region of Saudi Arabia. That is the most easy, but of course it is not authentic. You will say, the Wahhabis say, oh, the whole Google is wrong. Fine, that is a stupid belief. Just for first evidence, you can see N-A-J-D, Najd. It is the central region of Saudi Arabia. Fine, that can be wrong. Whole Google is against them. Now please take a note of the second evidence, which is most authentic. Why it is most authentic? Because Wahhabis will tell you that, oh, in that time Najd was something different, in today's time Najd is something different. That is why Google is now giving you Najd is Saudi Arabia, but during the time of Prophet it was something else. That is how they play games. So now here is a hadith from Sahih Muslim in which Prophet explained what is Najd. Very clear. He told the difference between Najd and Iraq. I am giving you the hadith from Sahih Muslim, Kitabul Hajj. The hadith is like this. Translation. Abu Zubair heard Zubair bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as saying, as he was asked about the place for entering upon the state of Ihram, that is the point of Miqat. When people from different areas of the world, they gather to perform Hajj, at one particular place they have to remove their normal clothes and put this cloth of Hajj, which is called Ihram. So he wanted to know about this place. So he said, I heard, and I think he carried it directly from the Rasulullah, that for the people of Medina, Zul Hulayfa is the place for entering upon the state of Ihram. That means those people who are from Medina, when they reach a point called Zul Hulayfa, there they have to change their clothes. Fine. For the people coming through Syria, it is Zuhfa. It is Juhfa. Okay, that is a place. And for the people of Iraq, it is Zabt al-Irq. For the people of Iraq, it is Zabt al-Irq, and for the people of Najd, it is Qarn. And for the people of Yemen, it is Yala Malam. My dear brothers, this hadith is very clear that for our blessed Prophet, Najd was different from Iraq. Because he fixed 2 different points for people of Najd and Iraq. Had Najd meant the same as Iraq, Prophet would have not told. He in fact told 2 different points. Sahih Muslim, Kitabul Hajj, the book of pilgrimage, book number 7, hadith number 2666. There are also hadiths similar in Sunan Nisa'i and other books of hadith in which Prophet clearly demarcated the area of Najd and Iraq. So the Wahhabis cannot play this song that Najd is Iraq. And of course, you all have seen in Google what is Najd. You all have seen it. And after this, we also need to see other evidences. As we said, we will be looking into other evidences also, that what is the proof of Najd not being Iraq. The word meaning of this Arabic word Najd is high ground. An elevated area, high ground. If you look atlas, it will be very clear. If you look at the atlas, it will be very clear. Open your atlas, the geographical atlas, see the region of Iraq and see the region of Saudi Arabia, you will find the central region of Saudi Arabia is the whole elevated ground. You can see this also in the photograph on Google also. So this is the third proof that the Najd is Saudi Arabia. Also the medieval Islamic geographical, for example Ibn Khurradillah and Al-Masalik wal-Mamalik, these were the great geographical people, and the geographers who made map of that region. All of them, they limited the extent of Najd at Wadi al-Rumma or to the deserts to the south of Al-Madain. There is no indication that the places in which the second wave of sedition, the Ridda, such as Kufa and Basra, were associated in the mind for the Muslims with the term Najd. And the fourth, and the is very clear, the hadith which say about, in which Prophet pointed towards east and said the fitna will come from here. In fact, this hadith supports our point. This hadith supports our point. A straight line, if you look at the map, drawn to the east of Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara, does not pass anywhere near Iraq, but it passes some distance to the south of Riyadh, the present capital of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, through the exact center of Najd. You can open your map and look at this.